Hello viewers, BananaBoss here with another Scratch tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to create something that is known as a turtle. So I'm going to show you what I did earlier. So I'm just going to quickly drag this thing over here. Let's do the same with this. Alright, let's start. Alright, so what I want to do first is press space. Let's say forwards. Let's go 10. Yeah, 10. There we go. So it's going to move 10, but, it's going to move there forever. So let's create a new one. Just going to call this turtle test. And now let's start a new one. So first of all, I'm going to create a sprite, which will be the turtle. So if you don't know what a turtle is, it's basically something in coding that is normally programmed to draw things. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to create one of them. Alright, so let's just do this, quickly fill it in. I'm going to call this turtle. Oh, fail. And now I'm just going to call this sprite turtle, and let's just put it into fixed. First we want to create some new variables, so this one will be direction. Number of steps and ready to move. Right, so first when start is clicked, want to set all three of these variables to something. So direction and number of steps, want to set all of them to 0. So we also want to put our pen down, set pen color to black. And also let's make it go to, let's say x0, y minus 100. Right, so let's just see where it's going to go to. Actually no, let's not have x0, let's have x50. Alright, here we go. Alright, so that's going to stay there, so let's clear at the beginning. There we go. So, first of all, we're going to, actually, let's make that, let's say 120. Yeah, that's all the way over there. Let's do 60. Yeah, that's more central. So let's clear. Alright, now what we want to do is when space key pressed, we want it to ask us things. We also want to put in a set in the middle and afterwards, and another set there. So we want this set to be direction and this set to be number of steps. So we're going to ask forwards, backwards, left or right. And we want to set direction to answer, and then the same with the number of steps. How many steps in? Actually, let's just get a join to make this more like user friendly. So, how many steps, and another join. So let's have, would you like to go? Alright, so there we go. How many steps? Forward, left, right or backwards? Would you like to go? Why do I write backward instead of backwards? Oh. Backwards, would you like to go? Alright, now what we want to do is that can broadcast. Let's broadcast draw. Alright, so when I receive draw, what I want to do is point in direction. Oh no, we need a load of ifs here. So we literally need 4 ifs. So we need an equals, and we need direction. Oh wait, no, that's wrong. We need an or in the middle as well. Because what if they don't use capital? Alright, there we go. Oh, fail. Alright, so let's say that if direction equals forward or equals forward without a capital. No, forwards. Why do I keep on writing forwards and forwards? Backwards. Backwards. Left and left. And finally, right and right. Alright, so now what I want to do is point in direction, point in direction, point in direction, and point in direction as well. So if it's forwards, we want to point 0. If it's backwards, we want to point 180. If it's left, we want to point -90. And if it's right, we want to point in 90 degrees. So now what I want to do is, when I receive, we also want to broadcast draw. So let's change this to direct, and let's change this to direct as well. Alright, so let's say that when I receive draw, we want to move direction steps. So now let's test this out. Alright, so press space, let's say forwards. Alright, so direction is forwards, let's say 10. And actually, you know what, we can just do this, really. Move direction steps in each of these. Oh, I know why. Oh, crud, I know why, actually. Why did I put direction in there? That was a fail. Why on earth did I put direction in there? We need to move number of steps. We need to move number of steps because forwards is not an amount of steps forward. So let's press space. Forwards. No. Forwards and 10. So what is happening here? Well, let's do this. Oh, that's why, because there isn't such thing as broadcasting draw. I took off broadcast draw. So let's put draw back on there. Alright, now let's press space, forwards, and let's say 10. There we go. So if you're wondering what the heck is going on, it's because the centre's right there. So let's set the centre to there. And let's also set the pen size to a bit of a bigger thing. So let's set pen size to 7.5, let's say. Clean up and let's test once more. So let's go forwards. Let's go 10. There we go. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, favourite, and subscribe. It means so much, and I will see you all next time. BananaBoss out.